you please? Won't you please? I'm getting good at that.
You are very good at that.
Yeah. And you learned about August. We spelled it too.
You're probably super duper smart already then, huh?
Yeah.
Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Story by Erik Litwin, aka Mr. Erik. Art by James Dean. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Do you know? The library! That's right! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He finds his favorite book and sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Do you know? The lunchroom. That's right. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He sits down with his friends and sings this song. Eating in my school shoes, I'm eating in my school shoes, I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and a tall slide. Where is Pete? Do you know? The playground! That's right! Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He slides and swings and sings this song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I'll do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good." And that's the story of Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Story by Erik Litwin, Mr. Erik. Art by James Dean. The end.
Yeah.